Windsor, Ontario has a huge selection of places to eat a shawarma. Whether you're looking for a takeout or dine-in, there are several options you want to check out. Today I'll be bringing you a list of 10 local shawarma spots to check out in 2024. Hi, my name is Dino Kasparis, your eXp real estate agent here in Windsor, Ontario. Today's video primarily features shawarma sandwiches or wraps that are typically served with beef or chicken. These 10 places are brought to you in no particular order, and I've added a few bonus suggestions, so you'll want to stay until the end of the video. If you find this video valuable, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Now let's get after it. If you're looking for other affordable restaurant ideas around Windsor, please check out my other Windsor restaurant videos. And if you find this video valuable, please like and subscribe below. If you have any Windsor real estate questions, please reach out. My number and QR code are on the screen. See you all in the next video.